Hello friends, how are you? Hope all is well. Good to see you on my channel. Today I will show you how to record your PC screen or Windows inbuilt screen recorder, which is very good than the other third-party softwares, which records everything. Every person asking how to record Zoom online lectures, so we can use it for recording online Zoom meetings which you held earlier for watching again in future. So let's do it. First of all, go to Windows setting. Then go to Gaming tab. Then go to Captures and turn on Record in background while I am playing a game, switch button if it is off. Select as I selected the options shown here. For recording the clear audio, set the microphone setting as low as shown and increase the system volume bar as here. You can also capture your mouse by selecting the last checkbox. Now how to start and stop recording. For that, go to Xbox Game Bar tab, and here you can see the shortcuts for start and stop your recording. You can also customize it on your own. Now see, when you will press Windows plus Alt plus R simultaneously, the recording will start and this window will pop up here. To stop recording, again press Windows plus Alt plus R keys. Now to see the recorded video, go to C drive, then Users Videos Captures folder. Here you will find your recorded video. Thanks friends for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe for more videos.